Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DAZN how to cancel subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Be sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you like to cancel your DAZN subscription, what you can do is simply head over to your settings. Then once you're inside your settings, all you gotta do is tap on your Apple ID name that is located on the top. Then once you're inside your Apple account, among the options you'll be an option that says subscriptions right here. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside your subscription section, all you gotta do is scroll through and find the DAZN subscription, and once you find it, simply tap on it, and then once you tap on it, under the DAZN subscription you'll be getting the cancel the subscription option highlighted in red letters. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully cancel the DAZN subscription. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.